Astra.
Standing by.
Systems check.
Correcting minor glitch. Anything else, Commander?
No, thank you.
Acknowledged, Commander.
Alright, so, she has like an entire database, like a Galaxypedia, as it's called. Tell me something about the galaxy.
The range of colors that make up visible white light. A spectrum is produced when visible light passes through a prism.
Tell me about a random constellation.
Cygnus is a northern constellation lying on the plane of the Milky Way, deriving its name from the Latinized Greek word for swan. The Swan is one of the most recognizable constellations of the Northern Summer and Autumn. It features a prominent asterism known as the Northern Cross, in contrast to the Southern Cross. Cygnus was among the 48 constellations listed by the 2nd century astronomer Ptolemy, and it remains one of the 88 modern constellations.
Tell me about constellation Scorpius.
Scorpius, sometimes known as Scorpio, is a constellation. Its name is Latin for scorpion. It lies between Libra to the west and Sagittarius to the east. It is a large constellation located in the southern hemisphere near the center of the Milky Way.
What is quantum theory?
Randomness. Unpredictability lies at the heart of quantum mechanics. It bothered Einstein, but it also bothers the Dalai Lama.
What is computing in terms of quantum theory?
Computing. The rules of the quantum world mean that we can process information much faster than is possible using the computers we use now.
What is an X-ray?
X-ray. In 1923, Arthur Compton shone X-rays onto a block of graphite and found that they bounced off with their energy reduced exactly as would be expected if they were composed of particles colliding with electrons in the graphite. This was the first indication of radiation's particle-like nature.
What is a star?
It's a massive, luminous sphere of plasma, held together by its own gravity. They come in many different types and sizes. Their classification for you? Well, blue stars are the hottest, and they're called O-type. The coolest stars are red, and they're called M-type. In order of increasing temperature, the spectral classes are M, red, K, orange, G, yellow, F, yellow-white, A, white, B, blue-white, O, blue.
Thank you, Astra.
You're welcome.
Get us out of here.
Yes, Commander. Afterburners. Maxing engines. Power to engines. Maximum impulse. Super cruise drive engaging.
4, 3, 2,
Astra.
1.
Standing
Engage.
by.
What is a black hole?
A black hole is a region of space-time from which gravity prevents anything, including light, from escaping. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass will deform space-time to form a black hole. The boundary of the region from which no escape is possible is called the event horizon.
What is an event horizon?
An event horizon, sinister sounding for most. An invisible boundary around a black hole from which nothing can escape the gravitational pull, not even light.
Lock target.
Locking onto target.
Next target.
Next target.
Increase sensor range.
Increasing sensor range.
Lock target.
Targeting.
What are planets?
A planet is a celestial body orbiting a star, or stellar remnant, that is massive enough to be rounded by its own gravity, but is not massive enough to cause thermonuclear fusion, and has cleared its neighboring region of planetesimals.
Open galaxy map.
Galaxy map.
What is geosynchronous orbit?
An orbit in which a satellite's orbital velocity is matched to the rotational velocity of the planet. A spacecraft in geosynchronous orbit appears to hang motionless above one position of a planet's surface.
Balance power.
Power balanced.
Engage jump drive.
Engaging jump drive.
Four, three, two, one. Engage.
Astra.
Standing by.
What are satellites? Astra.
Standing by.
Systems check.
Running integrity checks. Anything else, Commander?
Fuel scooping.
No,
Fuel
thank you.
scoop disengaged.
Acknowledged, Commander.
I'll stop.
Stop all thrusters.
Lock target.
Targeting.
System map.
System map.
That was weird. Ahead full.
Maximum impulse.
Divert power to engines.
Power to engines.
Tell me something about the galaxy.
Trans-Neptunian object, or TNO. Any one of a number of celestial objects that orbit the Sun at a distance beyond the orbit of the planet Neptune.
What is entanglement?
Entanglement. When two quantum objects interact, the information they contain becomes shared. This can result in a kind of link between them, where an action performed on one will affect the outcome of an action performed on the other. This entanglement applies even if the two particles are half a universe apart.
What is an atom?